everybody, I'm Jill Esbaum, and I'm author of the new Simon & Schuster graphic early reader series, Thunder and Cluck. This first one is called Friends Do Not Eat Friends, and I thought I'd share a little bit of it with you. Illustrated by Miles Thompson, who, as you'll see, is pretty amazing. Okay, I have to talk like a T-Rex, so ready. Roar! And this little guy is sleeping. Oh, hello. Hello? Did you hear me roar? That means I am hungry. You should run. Run away. No thanks. I'm resting, see? You have such nice, soft grass around here. Ah. And the T-Rex doesn't know what to think. At first. That is not how this goes. How does it go? I roar, you run, I chase and jump you. What if I do not run? Can you still jump me? Wait, let me think. Pfft, you do not fool me. I think you are secretly nice. Is that what you say to a T-Rex? Nice? I am not nice. You warned me to run away. Yes, but... And you have not jumped me yet. I will. In just 3 seconds. 1, 2. Yikes. Look at those babies. I cannot jump you now. Because you forgot what comes after 2? No. Because you are nice? No. Because we talked. Right, like friends, and friends do not eat friends. So the rest of this book goes on to let you know how these two finally become friends. It is not easy because Thunder does not want a friend and Cluck does not give up. So this first one is called Friends Do Not Eat Friends. Their friendship adventures continue in book 2, which is called The Brave Friend Leads the Way. And in book 3, which is called Smart versus Strong. I hope you'll check them out. Thanks.